And welcome back to the Mike's Auto channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Today we have a 2003 Lincoln Town Car. Customer complaint that it wasn't cranking. It doesn't like start. So it cranks okay, but don't start. So no, it cranks but no start condition. So I'm going to walk y'all guys through. And what I already did, I removed this cover off of this engine. It's an engine cover, and it take a 1/4 wrench, the end of the stud, and absolutely like so, took that off like that, and took my screwdriver and loosened that so we could test the engine, see if it could crank. So the first thing I want to do, I have a partner in here. He going to turn the engine, crank the engine. See, cranks but no start. All right. Now I'm gonna tell him to turn it on to the on position. We're gonna get behind this tank and we're gonna hear and listen out for a prime. All cars don't have a prime buzz, but hey, turn it on to the on position. We're gonna listen out. Okay, as you can see, we don't hear nothing, no buzz or nothing. So I'm going to go back up to the front and we're gonna spray some starting fluid. Really, this like cleaner fluid, but it's still flammable. And we're gonna open up this in the throttle body, and we're gonna spray some in there. And I'm gonna tell my partner to crank it. Now go in there, crank it. See that? It's budging the crank. All right. Now, as you can see, we have a fuel delivery problem. So I can't just count and say the fuel pump, drop the tank and change the fuel pump. I can't say that, so we have to run tests. I want to see if we get power and ground to the fuel pump. So that's the only thing I want to show y'all. I will check the fuse for the fuel pump and see if that's okay in the relay. But other than that, we're gonna check all that. So other than that, please comment and like, and see me on next if I have to drop this fuel pump. All right.